I said that boy Tuttio clean.
I just got it.
And you already need nothing? You can drop back. Oh, that boy cutting up. What percent you on? What percent you on the battery? 5%? Damn, your shit finna go there.
No, like, full
Oh,
water.
oh,
Alright.
all right. Oh, I see at the top.
Yeah.
All right. Watch that car.
Selling beans up, serving white people. I told that little hoe, wipe your mouth, okay, I'm done with you. Shopping spree just fun to me. After we do it, they burn through it. Baby got my club pistol, then it's like my lean to him. Drinking overseas brand. Man, these niggas sore losers, man, these niggas some has-been. Better be keeping your hoe fly, cause I put a bitch in fashion. You better be keeping your wheels fed. Bro, still full-time jacket. That money gets love, better panic. My money talk louder than Cali. I spend without checking the balance. She thinks she ain't eat no salad. I might let her pick from a Bergen, a Kelly, Chanel. LeBron might pull up in the ride, like you. Big taste, no ugly hoes in the section. She squinting and stare at my neck. I'm fucking on bitches with friendship. I'm slime, I don't know what to tell you. I got the bitch in the dilemma, like Kelly, Denelli. I'm wise, got like Joe Pesci. Run like Tommy your belly. Cross gun line, nigga get killed. Crowd her, spill, drink, not milk. Do a honey with your bitch in the whip. Suck dick to the gloss off her lip. I'ma fuck first day with the bitch. Sippin' lean, margarita, turn this whole cheetah. I came up vacuum, selling beans up, serving white people. I told that little hoe, wipe your mouth, okay, I'm done with it. Shopping spree just fun to me. After we do it, they burn through it. Baby got my club pistol, then it's like my lean to him. Drinking overseas brand. Man, these niggas sore losers, man, these niggas some has-been. Better be keeping your hoe fly, cause I put a bitch in fashion. You better be keeping your wheels fed. Bro, still full-time jacket. That money gets love, better panic. My money talk louder than Cali. I spend without checking the balance. She thinks she ain't eat no salad. I might let her pick from a Bergen, a Kelly, Chanel. LeBron might pull up in the ride, like you. Big taste, no ugly hoes in the section. She squinting and stare at my neck. I'm fucking on bitches with friendship. I'm slime, I don't know what to tell you. I got the bitch in the dilemma, like Kelly, Denelli. I'm wise, got like Joe Pesci. Run like Tommy your belly. Cross gun line, nigga get killed. Crowd her, spill, drink, not milk. Do a honey with your bitch in the whip. Suck dick to the gloss off her lip. I'ma fuck first day with the bitch.
Like shadow, it sounds like a man.
Yeah. Gang guys, keep me a job not done. Rest in peace, my favorite player. Yeah. Hey, free my head up. Yeah. Free my head up. Yeah. Yeah, nigga. Smell like too much.
Huh? Talaria. T-A-L. Alright.
Wait, I don't know my notes. Can you show me my notes?
Type that for you. What's up, Ari? What's it? That's the, yeah, but this the name of the bike. When you look it up on the internet, a bunch of them gonna pop up.
Wait, come back and do a wheelie again.
This way.
No, yeah.
Alright.
Cannabis, they wouldn't even let me into Canada. All these niggas you jammed up, snitch ass niggas your ass with. You don't know, I might have to ban nuts the way you test that scan up. How the fuck look like BMF? For me, never had no lamb truck. P like nigga who dressed it.
I'm getting motorcycle for my birthday. My dad had said maybe.
Say it again real quick.
I'm getting that bike.